Have you ever felt like you're trapped in your own mind, weighed down by negative thoughts? Those thoughts that make you question your abilities, your worth, or your future. What if I told you that in just 5 minutes, you could start breaking free from them for good? Here's a quote. "The thoughts you feed your mind will shape the life you lead." In this video, I'll be sharing powerful tools to help you transform your mindset and reclaim control, no matter how overwhelming your thoughts may feel. Stick with me until the end, because I promise you, there's so much you can learn from this. Imagine you're walking down a path, each step feeling heavier than the last, like the weight of the world is on your shoulders. Negative thoughts are like stones scattered along the way. At first, they're small and easy to ignore, but soon, they begin to pile up, making each step more difficult. This is how I felt not too long ago. I remember a time when self-doubt consumed me, making me question if I was good enough to achieve my dreams. Every setback, no matter how small, felt like a mountain I couldn't climb. But then, I discovered something life-changing. The mind is incredibly powerful. With just a few simple shifts, we can control what we focus on and take back the reins of our lives. First, I want to thank our subscribers. Your support has been a blessing. And to our new viewers, welcome. If you're enjoying this message, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to OUK Empower for more insights that inspire courage and transformation. If you have just subscribed, go to the comment section and type, "I subscribed." When I see your comment, I will give you a heart to show my appreciation for joining the OUK Empower family. Now let's continue this exciting journey. The 5-minute strategy. Breakdown. Step 1. Close your eyes. Take 5 deep, intentional breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Focus on each breath. This simple practice grounds you in the present moment and helps clear away the stress and negativity. Psalm 46:10 says, "Be still and know that I am God." Sometimes all we need is stillness to reset our minds. When we allow ourselves to be present, we let go of the distractions that cloud our thoughts. Step 2. Identify the negative thought that's weighing you down. Whether it's about your abilities, past mistakes, or uncertainties about the future, ask yourself, is this thought true? What evidence do I have to support it? More often than not, the thoughts that hold us back are exaggerated or completely untrue. Remember 2 Timothy 1:7. "For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind." This truth is your armor. You have the power to change the narrative your mind is telling you. Step 3. Replace the negative thought with a positive affirmation. For example, if your thought was, "I'm not good enough," replace it with, "I am capable and worthy of success." Repeat it out loud or in your mind, over and over. The more you do this, the more your brain will start to believe it. Positive affirmations have the power to rewire our brains. Instead of focusing on fear, we begin to focus on possibilities. Our thoughts shape our reality, and by affirming the positive, we make it our truth. Step 4. Visualize yourself succeeding. Imagine yourself facing the challenge, overcoming obstacles, achieving your goals, and feeling empowered. Visualization taps into the brain's belief system, helping you to believe in new possibilities. As Philippians 4:13 reminds us, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." When you visualize success, you're aligning your thoughts with divine strength, moving closer to the victory that's already promised to you. Conclusion. In just 5 minutes, you've taken control of your thoughts and shifted your energy towards positivity. Breaking free from negative thoughts isn't about eliminating them completely. It's about changing your focus and using the power of your mind to overcome them. Before you go, my friend, I need you to do 3 things for me. 1. Like this video. 2. Share it with someone who needs encouragement. 3. Subscribe to OUK Empower for more uplifting content like this. By liking and sharing, you're not just supporting this channel, you're helping spread hope and transformation to someone who needs it. If this video helped you, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you tried any of these strategies before? What worked for you? And don't forget to share this video with someone who needs to break free from negativity today. Every day is a new opportunity to choose what you focus on. Take back your power, starting right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.